Presenting Logitech C922 Pro Stream Webcam in the color black. This Logitech webcam comes in 4 pattern variants of C922, C922 Plus Blue Yeti in Midnight Blue, C922 Plus Blue Yeti in Silver, and C922 Webcam Plus H340 headset. This Logitech webcam is specifically designed and optimized for professional quality video streaming on social gaming and entertainment sites like Twitch and YouTube. C922 Pro lets you stream and record vibrant, true-to-life HD 1080 pixels video that captures the most exciting details at 30 frames per second. The 5-element Full HD glass lens captures razor-sharp, clear images, while the premium Autofocus adjusts smoothly and precisely to provide consistent high definition. C922 includes a 2D background replacement feature that lets you easily integrate your live image in the game on Twitch and YouTube without a green screen. It comes with an adjustable clip and threaded base for secure mounting on a monitor, laptop, or tripod. The web camera lets you stream clear video even in dim light. Video automatically adjusts to accommodate flickering room lights or multiple computer screens. This Logitech web camera is suitable for streaming and recording videos. There are 2 omnidirectional mics in the C922 that capture stereo audio from every angle, ensuring clear, no-drop streaming and recorded video. It also comes with a tabletop tripod that has a swivel mount and extends to 18.5 centimeters so that you can adjust the webcam to the most flattering angle for your broadcast. Equipped with HD autofocus and light correction, the webcam fine-tunes to the lighting conditions to produce razor-sharp, high-definition images even if you are in a dim setting. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.